we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
It is a combination of a regular convection oven with a microwave, so you have both hot air and microwaves cooking your food. So the advantage is you get the quick interior heating of the microwaves combined with the surface browning from the hot air. Convection just makes that hot air cooking faster and more even.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.